Hi everyone, today I am going to build my first Python project, the Career Advisor. So without wasting any time, let's build it together. So I'm currently on my desktop right now. So first of all, I let's create a file uh, on that's called video projects on Python. Okay, now I will open it on my VS Code. So yes, as you can see, now here we are. So first, today we are building career advisor. So first def main. Okay, print enter print. Sorry. Now we will print career path advisor. Okay, then print. Now chat will ask the user input. Do you want to know about your career? Okay, now yes oblique no. uh, yes oblique no. Okay, if chat dot lower if chat dot lower not equals to yes, sorry, small, yes, if chat dot lower not equals to yes, then print have a nice day. Print have a nice day. So chat will ask the user, do you want to know about your career? If the user puts no, then have a nice day. Okay, then return. Okay, I forgot to do this. Your okay, then return. Now if yes, then chat will says chat will not says print will say, print please answer the following questions honestly. Please answer the question honestly. Okay, now score c score score pi equals to 0, cor score underscore div equals to 0, score underscore uh, data equals to 0, score underscore design equals to 0, score cybersecurity equals to 0. Now answer equals to input, answer equals to input. Do you like coding? Do you like coding? Yes or no. If answer dot lower equals to yes, then score colon then score score ai will get plus equals to 1 and score div plus equals to 2. Next answer equals to input. Do you like mathematics? Do you like mathematics? Okay, next yes oblique no. Okay. If answer dot lower equals to yes, score ai plus equals to 1, score, sorry, core score dev plus equals to 1, score data plus equals to 1. Okay, next answer equals to input. Do you like logic building? Do you like logic building things? Yes or no? If answer dot lower equals to yes, then score ai plus equals to 2 and score underscore cyber security, score cyber security plus equals to 1. Next answer equals to input. Do you uh, do you like coding, mathematics, logic building things? Do you like designing? Do you like designing? uh, yes or no? Yes or no? So the answer if answer dot lower equals to yes, score design. So excellent, score design, score design plus equals to 3, no 2. And next answer equals to input. Do you like cybersecurity, acc security? Do you like cybersecurity? Yes or no? Yes or no? So excellent, no. Space. If answer dot lower equals to yes, score cybersecurity, score cybersecurity plus equals to 3. Okay, next answer equals to input. Do you like to play with data? Do you like to play with data? Yes or no? Do you like to play with data? Yes or no? Next semicolon. Okay. Yeah, sorry. If answer dot lower equals to yes, score underscore data, score underscore data plus equals to 2. Now, so up to this, what's happened? So first chat will ask the user, do you want to know about your career? If yes, then if not yes means no, then have a nice day, return, and then print the answer of the following questions honestly. So answer, do first question is, do you like coding? If yes, then score ai will get +1 and dev will get +2. Okay, so do you like mathematics? Yes, if yes, then ai will get +1, dev will get +1 and data will get +1. And do you like logic building things? If yes, then ai will get +2 and cybersecurity +1. And next question is, do you like designing? Yes, if yes, then design will get +2. If do like cybersecurity, if yes, then score cybersecurity will get +3. If the next question is, do like to play with the data, with data? If yes, then score data will get +2. So these are the questions. Now it's time to write. Print scores, analyzing your answer. First print analyzing. First print analyzing your answers. Dot. इसको next line में print करना होगा. So I will print it in the next line. So analyzing your answer. So print score. Your score are. Next print your scores are. Print. मैं इसको copy कर लेता हूँ. Wait, just a minute. I will copy these all things. Not why I am doing this. Score this, only this. Okay. So print score.ai. I have to here put formatted string. Why I'm using a formatted string? I can use only score AI. This is this. Yeah, I can. Yeah. This space brackets khatam space score score AI. Right. I have to use formatted string. Now I will copy this line and print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next alt, next line, enter control v, enter control v, 1 2 3 4 5, control v, control v. Okay, so score div is div. Next is score data is score data. Score और क्या था? Score data design cybersecurity. Okay, not the sixth one. Data and cybersecurity. Okay, data design score design, and the last is score cybersecurity. Okay, I have to copy this. Now highest equals to max score AI, comma score div score data, comma score design, next score cybersecurity. Okay, if highest equals to score AI is score AI, print if highest equals to score I think variable. Okay, something. Okay, let me check it later. First, if highest equals to score AI, print recommended career is AI ML engineer. Print as you like problem solving, mathematics, as you like problem solving, mathematics, and logic building. Logic building. Recommended career is career path as you like. Okay, next I will copy this all. Then 3 4 5. Then last one. Okay. Okay. So now it's for dev software engineer, software developer engineer, software developer. As you like problem solving, coding, and data. Next is design. Recommended career path is UIX designer, UI UX designer. As you like problem solving, as you like designing things. Okay, highest score. Next is data. Data. Recommended path is data scientist. Data scientist. As you liked to play with the data, as you like to play with the data, as you like to play with the data, and as you like to play with the data. And next is cybersecurity. 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 Recommended path is cybersecurity. As you like cyber security, cyber related things. Okay, now it's time to print. Thank you for choosing the career path advisor. Thank you for choosing the career path advisor. Now it's time. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to underscore 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 sorry underscore underscore main underscore main this. Okay, it finally. Do you want to know you about your career? Yes, I want to know. Do you like coding? Yes, I like coding. Do you like mathematics? Yes, I like mathematics. Do you like logic building things? Yes, I like. Do you like design? No, I don't like. Do you like cybersecurity? No, I don't like. So do you like play with data? No. Analyzing your answer. So recommended career path is AML engineer, as you like problem solving, logic building things. So yeah, finally my code is running, and yes, I did my first project on my Python, and that's all. So before ending the video, let's run this once again. Do you want to know about your career? Yes, I want to know about my career. Do you like coding? Yes, I like coding. Okay, no, I don't like mathematics. I don't like logic building things. I do like designing. No, I don't like design. Enter. Do you like cybersecurity? Is something? No, I don't like cybersecurity. So, do you like to play with it? Yes, I like to play with data. Next, so recommended career is data scientist. So as you can see, so yes, my code is fully running. So that's all. This is my first project. That is career path advisor on Python. So I hope you enjoy the video. So bye bye. I will see you in the next one. That's all.